Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a quick trick to reverse videos in Canva. Let's start. Open Canva and create a new project. Let's use this video as an example. Go to the Apps section in the left panel and search for the Video Reverser tool. Click it to open. Then, click the Start button to begin. Next, click Export. Wait a moment as the processing time depends on your video's file size. Once exported, you'll see a settings screen. Adjust audio settings and playback speed to your preference. Click Reverse Video to apply the effect. Wait for the processing to complete. Click Add to Design to insert the reverse video into your project. The reverse clip will automatically save to your Canva uploads. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.